this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. Let's start this by opening the Google browser on our computer, then search for Roblox website, then log into your account. Next, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and select Settings option. In the Settings, go to Security section. In here, you'll see the two-step verification. You have here the Authenticator app, email, and hardware security keys. To turn off the two-step verification, simply toggle off the button on the authentication option you have. For example, the Authenticator app, simply toggle off the button, and then in the pop-up, click Confirm, then you need to enter the code generated by your Authenticator app. After that, click Verify and wait for it to finish. Once finished, you'll see that the two-step verification on your Roblox account has been disabled or turned off. That's about it.